How to change clock widgets on Android lock screen. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further delay, let's dive right into the video. To change clock widgets on Android lock screen is quite easy and simple. Simply you have to locate settings from your home screen. Tap to launch it. Among this option, scroll down. Now locate home screen and lock screen options. Tap on it. You need to simply launch the similar option depending upon your Android phone. And now you need to scroll down. Under the lock screen section, there are multiple options like double tap to wake or turn off screen, lock screen shortcuts, lock screen magazine, clock style, and pocket mistouch prevention. Simply launch clock style option and here you will get the two options that is vertical and horizontal. Currently it has been set to vertical. You can tap horizontal and easily save the changes and change the clock widgets on your lock screen. That's it. Your lock screen clock has been updated. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.